Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video saying I subscribed. Let's get into it.
Ahead of NSA Ajit Doval's visit, France submits final price offer for 26 Rafale Marine jet deal. France has submitted the final price offer to India for the 26 Rafale Marine jet deal just ahead of the scheduled visit of Indian National Security Advisor Ajit Doval to the country. Defense sources told Annie that the best and final price offer has been submitted to the Indian authorities by the French side for the project, and a significant price reduction has been given after tough negotiations in the proposed contract. India and France are negotiating the deal for buying 26 Rafale Marine jets, which are going to be deployed on the INS Vikrant aircraft carrier and different bases. The two sides had also held negotiations last week when a French team was in the national capital for finalizing the discussions with India. The deal is scheduled to be taken up for discussion during the India-France strategic dialogue, where the Indian NSA is scheduled to meet his French counterparts from tomorrow in Paris. The deal is important for the Indian Navy as it is looking at strengthening its maritime strike capability. India has also approved deviations in the letter of request, which is the tender document equivalent in government-to-government deals, like the integration of the indigenous Uttam radar in the jets for the Indian Navy. Sources said that the integration would have taken a longer time of around 8 years, along with a high price to be paid to the French side for doing so. India had also asked France for integration of indigenous weapons on the plane. This includes the Astra Beyond Visual Range missiles along with the Rudram anti-radiation missiles. The sources added that the price for the deal has been based on the agreement's over-rated inflation to be taken into account, and would be using the previous deal for 36 Rafale fighter aircraft for the Indian Air Force as the basis. Some of the Indian Air Force requirements have also been incorporated in the naval deal, which will include around 40 drop tanks and a small number of workstations for the planes. The Indian side is also going to get more number of long-range air-to-air Meteor missiles, and with the anti-ship weaponry in this project planned to be concluded before the end of this financial year. Please donate at least ₹1 to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.